Okay, hi guys. So we have actually come to the waist unit, and for the waist there are only three resin parts, whereas the rest are all your standard plastic parts from the kit. So this is the back plate of the rear armor plate. So lots of details here. Similarly for the front plates, this is the rear section. So if you remember my Zaku Warrior, so almost the same design, so I'll be repainting this again. And that's the frame, and these are this is front side, this front side armor, that's two side armors, okay, and these are just the ports and all that for the front armor plates. And we have a PC part. Okay, I made a mistake that I told you guys to watch out for. So when I was cutting away the extra sort of like nut from the resin kit, right, I cut too close to this piece and it actually broke off the whole piece, that whole section you see here, that I've used Tamiya putty to actually remodel that the whole section. This whole section actually broke off, so I got a big gap there, but then I've used Tamiya putty to rebuild it, so it's good now. So remember, do not cut too close to the part. Cut it at a give some allowance and then file it down, sand it down, okay, to be on the safe side, because resin are quite brittle, so if you cut it too close it can actually break off and chip off that part. Okay, I like the details here, lots of details, the side as well. Okay, so that's it. We'll catch up once we start working on this again. Okay, so I've completed the inner frame for the waist unit, and yeah, the color separation was not that difficult, but I used the easy masking tape way to mask the area, whereby I put a big piece and then I just cut out the shape because it's quite flat, so we can actually do that. And I've applied the decals as well. So original plan was to have the frame as maybe black or dark gray, but I decided to try super iron instead, and I've actually top coated it with matte to see the effects, and I quite like this look, sort of like satin finish, so rather than the metallic finish. So I could experiment with this because this is going to be inside and you can't really see it, so I was playing around with this. And then for this, right, originally I wanted to try something out like having color separation through the usage of different colors. What I mean by that is that those areas which are deeper in, I will apply darker colors, and as the layers comes out, right, I'll apply lighter and lighter colors. And it's not shading. What I'm planning to do was actually to use different types of colors to create the perception of depth. However, it was quite difficult to mask, so for this piece I gave up. But I'll try eventually on another piece. Okay, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, so what I did here was just to use back the same method, the reverse wash method, and then highlight with a bit of gold. Okay, and that's it. So tomorrow we'll continue with the armor plates, and then we should be able to complete the waist unit this weekend. Okay guys, thanks so much. Bye.